Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a credit approval letter. This formal letter confirms that a credit application has been approved. You will begin your credit approval letter by including your company's name, address, and contact details at the top. Below that, mention the date to establish the document's timeline. The subject line should clearly state credit approval confirmation to inform the recipient of the letter's purpose. Address the applicant professionally using Dear Applicant's name to maintain a formal tone. After that, write, "We are pleased to inform you that your credit application has been approved with a credit limit of approved amount. Based on our assessment, you have met all necessary criteria, and we are confident in extending this credit to support your financial needs. Kindly review the attached terms and conditions outlining the repayment schedule, interest rates, if applicable, and other relevant details. Should you have any questions or require further clarification, please do not hesitate to contact us at contact information. We appreciate your trust in company name and look forward to serving you. Best regards, your name, your designation, company name." Here's our sample credit approval letter. You'll notice how it clearly confirms the approval of credit, specifies the approved amount, and outlines key terms and conditions. It also includes essential details about repayment terms, any applicable interest rates, and contact information for further inquiries. By following this format step by step, you can create a professional and concise credit approval letter that effectively communicates the approval decision. This letter helps the recipient understand their credit terms and reinforces your company's professionalism and transparency. And with that, I end this video. If you found this writing guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on crafting effective business letters.